Wind advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 5 a.m. EST Wednesday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 5 a.m. EST Wednesday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.